Hello YouTube. Today we are going to do the unboxing of DeathAdder Elite gaming mouse from Razer. So after a long time we are going to do an unboxing again. So let's get started. We bought this from Amazon for around 3,899. Like as you know, most of us usually go for Logitech. Like this mouse here is G102. I bought this. So now we're going to do the unboxing for the Razer mouse. Let's see the packaging, how it comes. Okay, so this is our box. Let's steer it from here. Okay, so it's nothing so good. So here we have, this is a Steel Series gaming mousepad that we have ordered, and the main focus is this thing, DeathAdder gaming mouse. It is 16.9 million different colors. The packaging is good, but a little dust is there, it's okay. This 5G optical sensor and a BMW 3389 processor, which is the best in class for this mouse is known for. The price dated is here is 5,799. As you can see the logo, Razer sign, Razer, and here we can see it has true 16,000 DPI setting and 450 IPS. This is mostly a gaming optimized mouse, only for esports gaming, like games for CSGO, Tom Clancy, all those games. So let's go inside of this. Here we have the seal. Let's poke this seal. We can just open it. Okay, so the seal comes off. Okay, so here we go. So what we else get inside the box are these manuals. This is a certificate card. As you know, this is a very good quality. Congratulations, there is no turning back. We're the first to offer a mouse worthy of being called a gaming mouse that provide gamers with the precision. Yeah, you can read this after pausing the video. It looks good when the company gives a signature and saying congratulations. So this is our certificate. It's a little bit butter paper like transparent. Let's keep it here. And this is a manual. Let's see through it. Oh, these are Razer stickers, like you get in Apple. Yeah, we didn't knew that we are going to get this. This thing is good. And this is manual kind of thing. Yeah. And let's come to the highlight, the Razer gaming mouse. Let's open this. How to open? Yeah, so here we have, this will come out.
Just pull it out.
Yeah. So here we have, again, let's keep the boxes aside. Okay, so this is DeathAdder gaming mouse. Okay, so this is basically a right-handed gaming mouse, as you can see. The thread is braided. The cable is braided, and the quality is really good. As you can feel the difference, the quality is really good. There are 8 programmable buttons to this side, and these are for DPI settings. So let's plug it in and see the colors. Yeah, so you can see Now these are changing. These are Razer sign. The mouse feel and is very good as compared to this mouse. This cost me around 1300. This is Logitech G102, and this cost around 3900. The difference in pricing brings the difference to the quality also. Like, as you know, the Razer is known for its gaming. This part is rubberized and it feels good. This is rubberized and the whole construction is plastic, and it's padding. As you can compare with G102, it's a bit bigger than this mouse. Okay, so that's all for this video, and this is a normal what we say mouse pad. So let's open this also. This is normal. This is it's very difficult to open these seals. Okay, so here we go. So this comes as a steel series.